Hi everyone! I've got here a bird number puzzle, and we will go all through the numbers in English and Tagalog. Are you ready? So let's get started. So we have the number 1. And this is the beak of the bird. Isa. Numero isa. Next is the number 2. Dalawa. And this is the eye of the bird. Dalawa. Do you know what number comes after 2? Great job! It's number 3. Tatlo. Numero tatlo. Then we have the number 4. Apat. Number 4. So we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the number 5. Lima. Number 5. Then we have the number 6. Anim. Numero 6. Next is the number 7. Pito. Number 7. So we have the numbers isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito. Do you know what number comes after 7? Very good! It's number 8. Walo. Numero 8. Then we have the number 9. Siyam. Numero 9. Then the last number is the number 10. Sampu. And this is the feet of the bird. Sampu. So we have the numbers isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu.